Okay, so let's get down to the basics. Today we're looking at how we can use the snipping tool, which is a Windows feature which allows you to screenshot or screen capture content anywhere on your computer. So it can be on a website, on WhatsApp web, on your email, just your documents or PDF, your folders, so basically anywhere on your computer. So without further ado, let's go. Where can we find this snipping tool on our desktop? So towards the bottom left hand side on your desktop, you will have this search bar. All you have to do is click on the search bar and type in snipping tool. When you type in snipping tool, you'll be able to see the app appearing. When the app appears like that, just double click on the snipping tool to open up the snipping tool window like this. So this will be your snipping tool window. Okay, so of course there are many features with regards to using the snipping tool, but for today's tutorial, we'll focus on the basics of using a snipping tool to screenshot or screen capture content. Okay, so let's say I want to screenshot something from the website. Now if you realized, okay, that happened very quickly, let me replay that bit again. So your snipping tool window, you already have it open, right? Now when I open my website, the snipping tool window goes to the back. Always when you want to snip a content, the snipping tool window has to be in the front. So what you have to do is, if you look at your taskbar at the bottom, right, you'll be able to see your snipping tool icon. Just click on it to bring it to the front, and also ensure your snipping tool window is somewhere beside the content that you're looking to snip. It cannot be on top of your content, yeah? So just ensure that. So let's say I want to snip this part. You see, again, when I select something on the website, the snipping tool window goes to the back. So all I have to do now is click on the icon to bring the snipping tool window to the front. Okay, so let's say I'm looking to snip this content. What I'll do is, on my snipping tool window, I'll click on the new option. Now when I click on the new option, I will know that my snipping tool has been activated based on two factors. One is my screen becomes faded off as such, so meaning my window is locked and ready for snipping. Another way I'll realize is that now my cursor would have changed to this plus sign. So wherever you place the plus sign will be the starting point of your snipping. So I will, on my opinion, I'll place it as close to the content that I'm looking to snip. So once I place the plus sign wherever I'm looking to snip, I will left click on my mouse and hold. So I won't let go of the mouse, I'll left click and hold. Once I do that, I'll start dragging my cursor across the content that I'm looking to snip. So now you can see this red color rectangular box appearing. So whatever appears inside this red color rectangular box will be snipped. Okay, so now you can continue adjusting the box. Once you're happy with it, you let go of your mouse. Now when you let go of your mouse, you realize that the content that you just snipped has appeared in the snipping tool window. Okay, there's a few other things that I want to go through with you as well. So for example, you want to snip this content, but you went to scroll down the window and then you went to activate the tool already. So you realize your window is locked, but your content is not present in the window, so you won't be able to snip the content. So what can you do now? All you have to do is click on the cancel option on the snipping tool window to deactivate your snipping tool. Scroll back up to where you have your content and then click on the new option again and go ahead and snip the content as such. So let's say you snip like this and you are not happy with the snip that you have just done because there's too much space on the left hand side, your content went to get cut off towards your right hand side and you had additional content and all that, mistakes were done. So what you have to do is just click on the new option again on your snipping tool window to re-snip your content again. So just have to do that and you'll be able to go ahead and re-snip the content to your liking once again. So yeah, that's just one thing. There's just a few things that I wanted to let you guys know in case. Okay, so you can do multiple things with this snip content using this snipping tool window, but for today's tutorial purpose, we'll just look at the basics. So we'll look at two options. One is saving a snip. So you click on this icon to save your snip into your folders. Also, you can copy the snip. So you have to click on this icon to copy your snip to your WhatsApp web, to your email, or to your Word document. So for example, I would like to save my snip. I'll click on the save option and save it into a folder of sorts. Alright, after naming it. Okay, so once I'm done with saving this snipped content, I'll close my snipping tool window. I'll also close the website. So now to access my snipped content, I just have to get into the folder in which I saved this content. Ta-da! So it's already there. So I no longer have to access the website to access this content. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. If you found this useful and would like to see more of such content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.